Hi, my name's Genya Grover and I ride for the THE.DROP.BMX and we're about to do a bike check with my bike. We've got the VH3 frame, which stands for Van Homan 3. We've got the fit drop stem connected to the animal sway bars, are they? I don't think that's true. That's right, whatever. With the fit blade 2 forks. We've got the KHE front hub laced to some rim. I don't know what it's called. We've got profile cranks. We've got a fit something sprocket, Rasta. We've got the Verde seat with an animal seat post pivotal. We got a proper back rim, left-hand drive, laced to a fly rim and random spokes. We've got Odyssey pedals, Odyssey team grips with, I think, are these fly? Yeah, fly bar ends, Eastern headset, demolition bottom bracket, Odyssey tires, both of them. Just a regular old chain.
What are you running for brakes?
Tin soldiers and Nixon's coming.